If you've ever needed a passport-sized photo for an application, ID, or a travel document, but weren't quite sure how to get the right dimensions in Photoshop, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through creating a perfect passport-size photo, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to produce professional-looking images, all from the comfort of your computer. Let's jump right in. First, we need to set up our canvas. Go ahead and launch Photoshop. Start by clicking New File. This is where we'll define the exact size of your passport photo to ensure it meets standard requirements. In the Preset Details panel, make sure you set the units to inches. This is important because most passport photo specs are set in inches rather than pixels. Next, enter 2 for width and 2 for height. This will give you a perfect square, exactly 2 by 2 inches, which is the usual size for most official documents. Now for resolution, choose either 150 or 300 pixels per inch. If you're planning to print your photo, I recommend 300 for the sharpest, clearest results. At 150, it's still decent quality, perhaps for uploading online, but for printing, higher is better. Once all those settings are in, click Create to open your blank canvas. Now let's bring in the picture you want to use. Navigate to your folder where the image is stored and simply drag your picture onto the canvas. Photoshop will automatically add it as a new layer. Click on that image layer so it's selected. This step is crucial because we're about to remove the background and you want to make sure you're editing the correct layer. Over on the right side of your screen, find the Remove Background option. It's usually under the Properties or Quick Actions tab. Give that a click. Photoshop will use its smart AI to isolate your portrait and get rid of everything else. Don't worry if it looks imperfect at first. Try to choose a photo with a clear contrast between you and the background, and you'll get good results most of the time. If a little bit of background is left around the edges, you can use the eraser tool to gently touch it up. This is a key step, since nearly all passport photos require a clean, distraction-free background. Speaking of backgrounds, let's add a plain white one to finish the look. With your portrait layer still selected, go down to the bottom of the Layers panel and click New Layer. Drag this new layer below your photo so it sits behind. Now select the Paint Bucket tool and fill the entire layer with white. Your image should now have a crisp, all-white background, just like a professional studio shot. If anything looks off, feel free to nudge your photo layer or resize it until it sits nicely within the 2x2 frame. We're almost done. Go up to File, then choose Save a Copy. This lets you save your finished photo in a new format. For passport photos, JPEG is the standard, so select that. When the quality slider appears, set it all the way up to 12, which gives you maximum quality and minimal compression, ideal for printing or sharing. Finally, choose a name for your file and hit Save. That's it. You've just created a passport-size photo in Photoshop, ready for whatever you need it for. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Got any questions or maybe a tip for fellow viewers? Drop those in the comments below. I love hearing your ideas and helping out. And if you want more easy step-by-step Photoshop guides, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.